Hello friends, welcome to IIC. This is Naresh Raj, and in this video we will discuss about relation operator in MATLAB. And in this video we will see how can we perform and how can we imply the relational operator on these mathematical expressions and mathematical symbols and mathematical numbers. Okay, let's see. And in this video first we will discuss about what is relational operator. Relational operator is this here. This is relational operator, and relation operator shows the relation between two variables. If we have a one number and then another number, and we comparison of these two numbers with the help of relational operator. And this is a symbol of less, and this is a less than equal to, and for this for greater, and this is for greater than equal to, and this is not equal to, and this is a equal to. Okay, let's see how can we imply this relational operator in this expressions. First we will see this give a result in this true and false. As we know, for true the 1 and for the false is 0. See, if 2 is less than equal to 1, then what is result? 0, because 2 is a greater than 1, so the condition should be true. But here condition is false, then the result is a 0. And for same, if we type 2 is greater than equal to 1, then we see that the answer is true. And same such types, and we see 2 which is not equal to 1. As we know that 2 is not equal to 1, then the answer will be false. False, which means is equal to 0, and this is a true. For why? Because 2 is not equal to 1, and if 2 is equal to 1, then the condition will become a false, and then the answer will be 0, which is equal to, then the answer will be 0. And next, now we will see the relational operator on this matrix. So first we will clear the command window and the workspace by the help of clear all, and now we create another matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, which is 2 minus 1 and minus 3 1 0. This will create a one matrix which is equal to A, that is a 2 by 2 matrix. And if now we want to see that A is less than 0, and in this matrix that element which is less than 0, there will be 1, and those elements which have a value greater than 0, then there will at their place will be 0. Let's see here in this video, minus 3 is less than 0, then the condition is true, then 1 is represented, and another minus 1 is less than 0, then the result is 1. And we know that 2 is greater than 0, so the condition will be false, and then the for false the sign is 0, and 10 is also greater than A, then the value of false is equal to 0. And now we will see if A is greater than 0, then see the condition A is equal to 0, that element of the matrix which is equal to the greater than 0, then the result will be 1. And here we will see that 2 is greater than 1 and 10 is greater than 1. The at this place of 2 and 10, the 1 is placed here, and at the place of minus 1 and minus 3 is represented here 0. So, and next we will see another variable assign B, which is equal to another matrix B 0 minus 2. We will create a 2 by 2 matrix 3 minus 1. Okay, and now we are seeing that the another matrix has been created of 2 by 2 matrix. First clear the command window and type A, which is equal to the matrix of this, and B is equal to the matrix of this. Now we will perform the relational operator on this matrix, and now we will compare these two matrices with the help of relational operator. And now we will see A is greater than 0. A is greater than B. A is greater than B. In this, that element of A which is equal to the element of greater than with the element of B, at that place the value of true and then the value of 1. Here 2 is greater than 0, then the value 1, and minus 1 is greater than minus 2, then the value is 1, and 10 is also greater than minus 1, the value of the matrix is 1, and the minus 3 is less than 3, so the condition is false, and then the result is 0. So with the help of this relational operator, we see that how can we compare these two matrices. And now if we want to see A is equal to B, and see any element is not equal to the element of B, any element of matrix A is not equal to the any element of the matrix B. Okay, let's see. Next is greater than equal to. If we want to see the expression is greater than equal to B, and see this, because in this A and B any element is not common or equal to, then the same matrix A is greater than B and A is greater than equal to B is the same. Okay, in this video we see how can we imply the relational operator on this matrix and single element, and next video we will meet you. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel IIC for new content.